creative mode on the Oceania servers. Here to show you, and I got Midas with me, here to show you how to get a chopper in your creative island. So you guys might have seen Glitch King's video where he glitches to creative mode on the Oceania servers to the main island, since they still have it here. But you probably haven't seen him trying to take a helicopter. So I turned mine gold since I'm a Midas. If you guys don't have Midas, then I'm sorry, but you guys don't have gold. I'm not bragging or anything. I don't get brag rights even though I have 200. I'm just telling you guys. I turned mine to gold, which is probably unnecessary information. But all I want to do is boost this chopper to my island and try to force it to get there, because I need to find it in my render. It might try to turn around, but my island is like right over there. It's not that far. It's gonna start running in. And as you can see, I'm already level 3. So yeah, my island is right there. It's the block. And you might be saying, CDR, how are you gonna get this chopper into your island? I just need to keep on boosting, to be honest. That's the island barrier. Alright, I'm landing this chopper, and I'm gonna put it where everything else from the main island is here, and you cannot get in creative mode yet. So, I got a chopper into my island. Yeah, I know this is a quick video, guys, but I hope this helped you out on how to get different things. You guys can get all these different stuff, like I was able to get the ghost emblem, and then another one here, and then the Midas statue right here, and then the supply drop, and then the Midas chair, like all of this. And then now I got the golden chopper. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what glitches you guys have for the future. I normally don't do glitch videos, but then since this got brought into my attention by trying to do this glitch, I found out, what if I bring this to the main island? So if you guys have any more suggestions, please let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to get onto it. So, wait, what happened to the other two? Oh my gosh. It's a golden sword. I just realized that. Alright. So, if you guys did in fact like this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Oh my gosh. What? Alright. Take 3. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. And Foot Nocturne's still gold. Wait, do they all look the same? This one's red. That one's green. The original RPG. Ooh, this can do some pretty good stuff. Wait, and you can also prop hunt into this. Go ahead. Loot me. And it actually loots you. Just like it can become this. Yeah, you can also prop hunt now with all the new items. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comments and more glitches. Peace out, and goodbye.